Saturday, the 19th of August. And today is my son-in-law's birthday. Happy birthday, Spence. It's the big 4-0. What? Means his wife, my daughter, will soon be 4-0, which is shocking, needless to say. But then when you do the math, it's like, oh, yeah, why not? Oh, well. We got back in a classic, great little bag that we have had before. I got in the medium size because it holds all different sizes of yarn. It has a hole in the top and it zips all the way around the edge. And you put your ball of yarn in here and then you zip it shut and you thread it through and then you zip it shut. And those precious little kitties or that precious puppy cannot get into your yarn. Yay! Nothing is going to happen to it. Plus, it comes in all these amazing colors. Now, like everything else in the world, the price has gone up. So it may seem like a lot of money for this lovely little bag, but it is indestructible and you will love it. They are $49.95 a piece, but you will love it. And it is, all the colors are amazing. So we have hot pink and yellow. Love, you know I love all these colors. Royal blue, purple, green, love green, and pink, hot pink and regular pink, and last but not least, turquoise. So there they are. I dropped the green one. So fun. It's a fantastic little spot to keep your yarn all safe and sound. And it would make a delightful gift for your best knitting friend. She would be so happy. Or crochet, it doesn't matter. It's all good. So the Walker bag. Walker bags. They're like a little cricket box when we were kids, right? Those little mesh cricket things. Wooden bottom. It was so fun. All right, I think that's it. Have a lovely, prayerful, peaceful, contemplative, calm, rejuvenating Sunday. I think it's going to be beautiful. So, what a joyful way to spend the day, right? Taking care of yourself. Do some knitting. I'm going to do some knitting. Got a few deadlines I have to meet. All right. Have a great evening. And I'll see you on Monday.